Hello, my name is Kumar Abhimaneu. I belong from Ranchi, Jharkhand. I did my engineering, and then after I was trying for job search in IT field. So actually, eVision is a great learning platform to get a job in IT field. All the faculties have great expertise in knowledge in networking, like Windows troubleshooting, system configuration, like domain DHCP. They taught very well, and kind of placement assistance they have, that is incredible. Also, the timely mock test, how the company works, what is the HR policy, what is the kind of profile that you need to do. All those are taught by the faculty members. So yes, thank you, Vision, especially Sati ma'am, Ganesh sir, Priyanka, all the members of the eVision. They have helped me today to secure a job in Amvis Systems India Limited with a salary package of 2.30 LPA. So yes, thank you eVision. You can register there and kind of go for this networking kind of job in IT field, which will be great. Thank you.